Cafwyd digwyddiad ar fferm Newton Aberhonddu I lawnsio ffenest ymgeisio ar gyfer Cyfnewidfa Rheolaeth am 2018, ble bu 3 ffermwr sydd wedi elwa o'r rhaglen llynedd yn sôn am eu profiadau.
I had a very informative 3 days with the breeders of our stock in Austria, courtesy of the Management Exchange Scheme. And I learned a lot that I've been able to put into practice since I came back. That's the real value of it, although the exchange visit itself was very interesting and we were very well looked after by our hosts. I would encourage it. It's been very informative, very helpful to me. I've learnt from it. It was a great experience in its own right, but I've been able to put the lessons I learned into practice on my return as well, which is a double benefit.
I would encourage anybody to apply for the scheme. What it's done for me is widen my network of support, and the learning process has been invaluable to travel and learn from.
Management Exchange has been a great opportunity for us to travel and learn from some of the best farmers in Scotland. They were incredibly generous with their time and their information, and so we're hoping to implement what we've learned quietly at home here and share some of that knowledge with others. I'd encourage anybody to apply for the chance to go for the Management Exchange. It's a great opportunity and there's a lot to be learned out there, so go for it.
Ymgeisiwch cyn y 10 ar 20 o Fehefin.